welcome again to Maths with Teacher Zati, and our topic for today is measurement, which is our chapter 15. But today we're going to focus on measuring in millimeters. Now, we are learning to use millimeters to measure short lengths and convert between centimeters and millimeters using 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now, for your step to success, this step to success again is depend on the situation of your question. So for the first one is actually when we are using the ruler scale. So you're going to measure and write in centimeters and millimeters or in millimeters, okay? And you can see the abbreviation there. Centimeters will be in cm, millimeters will be mm, okay? Now, the second one is actually if you want to find millimeters. So basically to convert centimeter to millimeters, you just multiply the centimeters given to you by 10. And then if you're given another millimeters, you just add them up. Okay. And the last one is to find centimeter and millimeter. So basically you were given millimeters. You are required to convert it to centimeter or centimeter and millimeter. What you do is you just divide the millimeter by 10, and we can see the example later. Okay, now millimeter. As you can see, once the ruler there, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 parts, smaller parts. Okay, is divided into 10 smaller parts, and you can see there one smaller part is equal to 1 millimeter. So when we have 10 smaller parts in 1 centimeter, it will give us 10 millimeters. This will bring us to the formula or the facts that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, which is very useful in order for us to convert between centimeters and millimeters. Now, we use millimeter to measure shorter lengths, okay? For example, the coin there. So that was measured as 1 millimeter. We cannot use centimeter because it's too short or too thin, okay, to measure using centimeter. And the ant there, an ant, where it measured as 9 millimeter. So basically millimeter, we use it to measure shorter lengths, okay? So if you have a longer length or bigger length, so we need to use other metric measurement, okay? Not millimeter. Millimeter is only used for the shorter length. Okay, if you can see here, two rulers given to you. One is measured in centimeters and another is measured in millimeters. So we want to see the relationship between the centimeter and the millimeter. If you can see the first one on top there, in centimeter, I have 1 centimeter, and you look at the bottom, how many millimeter will that be? 10 millimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. If we want to see 2 centimeter, look at the bottom, it equal to 20 millimeter, as well as 3 centimeter equal to 30 millimeter. So basically, if you want to change between centimeter to millimeter, what we do is to just multiply by 10. Okay, so 9 centimeter. So 9 times 10, 90. So you can check there, 9 centimeter. At the bottom is 90 millimeter. So this also applies to when we want to change from millimeter to centimeter. So let's say I want to, let's look at 70. So 70 millimeter. Look at the top, it's 7 centimeters. So this means 70 divided by 10 is equal to 7. Okay. Now, this is your step number 1, which is you just use the scale on a ruler and you write your answer, your centimeter and millimeter. So on the top one is your centimeter ruler. So we can measure that as 2 centimeter, and it goes beyond 2 to the smaller part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 millimeter. So we can write it as 2 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Or at the bottom ruler, we can measure it using millimeter. So you can see there, got 20, and it goes beyond 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. 25. So we can say that it's also equal to 25 millimeter. So basically we can say that 2 centimeter, 5 millimeters is equal to 25 millimeters. Excuse me. Okay, next one. Okay, the length of the nail here. So you can see 3 centimeter on the top one. I'm using the ruler on the top. 3 centimeter, and the smaller part is the millimeter, which goes beyond 2 up to 2. So 3 centimeter and 2 millimeters. Okay, now at the bottom millimeter, it will be 32 millimeters. So we can say that 3 centimeters, 2 millimeters is equal to 32 millimeters. Okay, so this one is when you are using ruler. Even when using ruler, it come out to that answer. Okay, what happens if you don't have the ruler? Can we do it without the ruler? Yes, of course we can. Okay, so now, firstly, if I want to change 5 centimeter and 8 millimeter, I was asked to write in millimeters. So basically, I want to change this 5 centimeter and 8 millimeter. I'm talking about the purple box here. And I want to make it all millimeters. So what we do, as I said before, you have to multiply the centimeter given to you by 10. So we'll just break it up into two first. 5 centimeter and 8 millimeter. It's not centimeter, millimeter. Sorry for the error there. So 5 centimeter multiplied by 10, that is equal to 50 millimeter, plus 8 millimeter, that will give you 58 millimeters. Okay. Now, on the other side, on the green box here, you write in centimeters. Now, if writing in millimeters, you need to multiply the centimeter by 10. Now, you have to just divide by 10 in order to find millimeter. Sorry, to find centimeter. You divide the millimeter by 10. Sorry. So you have 67 millimeter. What we do is that we break it up to 60 and 7. So 60 millimeter divided by 10, that is equal to 6 centimeter, and you have 7 millimeter. So we cannot do with anything with the 7 millimeter. We're going to just leave it like that. So we're going to write 6 centimeter and 7 millimeters. Okay. All right. Let's just practice a bit. All right. Example number 1. 8 centimeters. What would the millimeter be for 8 centimeter? Remember, if you're given centimeter, we want to change it to millimeter. What do we do? Yes, we multiply by 10. So 8 times 10 is equal to 80. So the answer is 80 millimeter. So for example number 2, 5 centimeter, 9 millimeter. Again, we want to change the centimeter here, 5 centimeter into millimeter. So we change it into millimeter by multiplying by 10. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. We have another millimeter here, add it up. 50 plus 9 will give us 59. Okay. Now for example number 3, now we have millimeters. We want to change into centimeters and millimeters. So break it up first. We have 20 and 1. So 20 divided by 10, that will give us 2 centimeter, and the remaining 1 millimeters. Easy. Okay. So what have we learned? We use millimeters to measure shorter length. We know about that. And then also we use 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter to convert between centimeters and millimeters. Okay, and we look at the some steps first using the ruler, where we write in centimeters and millimeters. Also, we learned that in order for us to find millimeters, when given the centimeters, we just multiply the centimeter by 10. And if we're given another extra millimeters, we just add them up. Okay. And then lastly, in order for us to find centimeters, we just divide the millimeters by 10. But if you have extra millimeters, so just break it up first, make it into 10. So for example, if you have 21 just now, you break it up into 20 and 1. So you divide 20 by 10, and then you put the remaining millimeters as it is. Okay. All right. So that's it, I guess, for today. Unit 2. complete all your tasks. And before that, I will give you an extra video for you to watch just to give you a clearer idea about the topic today. And then you can proceed to complete all your tasks and make sure you're going to complete it before tomorrow 12 p.m. Okay, especially those who are online, you can just finish it before 12:30, and then after that you're free. Okay, so you don't no need to procrastinate, no need to put it to till a later date. Okay, so that's it, kids. Any question, you can text me as usual. Thank you for watching. Please do stay safe and stay healthy. I see you again next lesson. Bye.